When you take an Uber ride home because you drank too much or your car's in the shop or whatever the case might be, please be respectful of your driver, be respectful of each other, and know that you're typically being recorded on camera. Most of them have cameras. And that if you act like a complete imbecile, you're probably going to get famous on the internet like you're about to see.
He's videoing me now.
Yeah, for my safety.
If you feel endangered, I would refer you to call the police.
So what do you provide as a safety line?
She says she feels unsafe. I'm sitting here, obviously, have my seatbelt on. Nothing's going on. She's sitting back there. She refuses to get out of my vehicle. So I'm recording for my safety.
Is there any store or is there anything in the area that you're in that you can go in and wait for your next Uber driver?
As you can see, there's businesses right in front of us. You see the businesses. She says she don't feel safe, but she refuses to get out. She can go right to the business over there. There's chairs. She can sit there with her things and wait for her next Uber.
She's gonna drive off with my packages. I mean, this is like...
You don't feel safe, but you're going to remain in a car that you don't feel safe in. Someone make it make sense. Explain it like I'm 6 in the comment section. What am I missing here? This is such a... Sorry, I'm going to stereotype. The haircut, the look, the everything just spells it out for me. I don't feel safe. The guy is seatbelted into his car, parked. All you have to do is step out of the car and you're in public. There are businesses right in front of you. Holy crap.
I've never had this before. I'm pretty surprised that you're not able to provide more assistance other than call the police. I have an expensive package in the trunk. If I get out, what if he drives off with it?
Now she's saying I might drive off with her things when I can clearly just take them out and place them over the side.
Get out of his car and he's on the phone with the authorities. You could get your package and wait for your next Uber.
But how do I get the package? I need him to open the trunk.
Open the trunk.
Okay.
You can ask him to open the trunk.
Well, I'll do that right now. Whatever gets you out of here, I don't care. I'll open.
Please make it make sense to me. Make it make sense, you guys. She's worried about her package, and he's just like, get out. I'll give you your package. I don't care. Even the Uber, she's on the phone with the Uber representative, the customer service, doesn't understand how to help her. She's like, you're not giving me assistance. She says, get out of the car. Call the police. What? How do some of these adults, these are grown adults, people, how do they make it to 20, 30, 40 years old? How do they get through tying their shoes and breathing every day?
Open it, you get your package, whatever you need to do. I'm going to get her package out of the back because she's scared I'm going to take her package. This is her package. Get her package out. Set it right here beside her so she can have it. Her package is out. Package is right there. I'm right here. I'm getting back into my vehicle.
Lock the door. Hurry, lock the door and get out, get out, get out. Go, 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 go. There are just some people that there's something not right up here. It's loose. I never really believed that there were people with just screws loose. But after learning the internet existed and seeing it firsthand, there are people with just things wrong with them.
Miss, you got to get out of my car. Miss, you gotta get out of my car. The trip's over.
You need to not yell at me.
Get out of my car. The trip's
You're
over.
blocking me from getting out.
Get out of the car. You're on video right now.
Also, you can see that I'm in a fucking wrong and
Yeah, get the fuck out of the car. Next time, be respectful to your Uber drivers, all right? Hurry up, get out of the car.
you have a blessed day.
Oh, thank you so much. All right, all right, all right. Chop, chop.
Taking her time, not getting out, being disrespectful, which apparently he's already said she's been disrespectful before. Now she's being more disrespectful. These are the kind of people you just want to stick your foot out when they walk out and, you know, let the chips fall as they may.
I already canceled the ride.
What do you want?
I already recorded it.
You can't cancel the ride. I just paid $14 to go to school.
It doesn't matter. I already canceled the ride.
How am I being disrespectful?
I already canceled the ride.
How am I being disrespectful?
You have to get out.
How
I already
am I
canceled the
being-
ride.
I'm
Just
calling
order
the
another
cops,
one.
bro.
You could call the cops. It's fine.
Alright.
You could call the cops.
Let me call the cops, Marilyn.
That's fine. Call the cops.
Nah, bro. You being mad disrespectful.
You're the one that
And
came
I'm
in the
gonna
car.
eat
You're
your car.
and you're
And I'm
standing
gonna
around
eat
on
your
us.
car.
So you're showing exactly what the reason why
Yeah.
I'm kicking you out.
Hi, I have an Uber driver being mad disrespectful. I just paid $14 to get to school, and he's kicking us out. Is there any way you can
Where are you right now, ma'am?
What street is this? 411
It's 41st Street.
41st Street.
41st Street, ma'am.
411.
What's your name?
Gabby.
They're not wearing masks and
I'm
they
wearing
don't
a
want
mask,
to.
girl.
I already canceled
I'm
the
wearing-
ride. They just need
You
to get
can't
out of my
cancel the
vehicle.
ride. I just paid $14. Yes,
What kind of car are you in?
it's a black car.
A black car. Stay
You
on
know
the
what?
phone
For
and
this,
let
I'm
me
not
see
going to
what's
school,
up.
bro. He blew my head. Hello?
Bro, how is he just gonna kick us out?
I don't know. He's being mad disrespectful.
Let's go.
You being mad disrespectful? No.
You got $1 for the
I-
bus? You got
yeah,
$1
you're gonna.
Wait, stop screaming! Cause how is her actions gonna cause with everybody's actions?
He's paying $14
Like,
right now.
How does that work? I don't understand.
He's paying $14 right now. Give me $14 right now. Give me $14 right now. Let's pay $14. No, I'm not taking another Uber.
At some point, I don't know how it's not like trespassing in my vehicle. It's not burglary, robbery. It's not false imprisonment because they're not allowing me to leave. Like if I was to drive off, I'd probably get in trouble for kidnapping or something. I don't know, what the legal law says. And she's calling 911 like an idiot. But could I reach in the back seat and remove them? Is that legal, or am I going to go to jail for assault? Because at this point, if somebody gets into your car unwanted, it's a felony. And in Florida, because we have castle doctrine, stand your ground, if somebody gets in your vehicle unwantedly or won't remove themselves from your vehicle, we have the right in Florida to go, I don't think it's the same in this situation, but maybe somebody with a little experience, maybe a lawyer, maybe law enforcement, maybe Uber people can chime in the comment section.
No, we're not getting out. You being mad disrespectful. Yo, the Uber driver's being mad disrespectful, yo. And he just canceled the ride. Cause I was eating in the car and not wearing a mask. I just put my mask.
Imagine calling 911 and saying mad disrespectful. That sink in for a minute. Look who we're dealing with. Look at the level of intelligence and the level of human and the level of persons we're dealing with here.
Order another one. He's mad disrespectful. Let's go.
You heard? I know you're not, but listen, I'm getting those $14. I don't care. He told me not to eat in the car. I was like, okay, I won't eat in the car.
I
I'm
already
hungry
report.
right now.
I already
No,
reported you
no.
guys. You could take it up with Uber. I don't control
give a
how I
fuck.
give you the
You're
money.
paying $14 right now. I just paid.
Just get out of the
$14
car.
for this ride.
Get
I'm
out
not
of the
getting
car.
out. I don't give
You
a
could
fuck.
call Uber.
I'm not calling Uber. They're giving me $14 right now.
I don't control that. Call Uber.
Well, so send us another Uber.
Call another Uber.
No,
I
you
don't control
call
that.
another Uber.
Keep talking. You're still recording. You don't? All right. Then you go
Who's being
viral.
mad disrespectful? I told you, okay, I'm not gonna eat in the car.
All right. Then go viral.
So
Go
you're gonna
viral.
post this online? Post it. Go ahead. I don't care. My time.
Right. Okay.
Bro, I feel like not going to school today, bro.
Let's go.
Tell him at least to give us money for the bus.
I'd rather not even cancel.
We paid $4.
Because I just turned it around saying
Man,
this,
bro.
that. So you're making a slave one for no reason.
I have 2 individuals in my vehicle that are doing Uber and they don't want to get out the car.
Beep.
You can hear her in the background. They won't get out my. They won't.
We're not gonna get out.
I'll tell you right now. Give me a second. It's 41st Street. I believe is Union City.
Yeah, hey, calling 911 is his best bet. Get the police there. They'll get removed, because if you put your hands on him, I got to imagine something bad's going to happen to him. Unfortunately, but it should be allowed. It should be allowed to just wink, yank, they go, and out the door. Bye. Catch you next time.
Say hi. Say hi to my Instagram, my love, because I go viral. Say hi to them.
Okay.
I wouldn't get out.
Are you an Uber driver?
Yes.
Okay. And what's the problem?
I wouldn't get out because I saw that this wasn't my destination. But can you do me a favor and tell her to delete that video? Because she has no right to record me. I'm not doing nothing to her. I didn't threaten her. I didn't do, but she could delete that video.
Ah, look at that misconception. You can be recorded in public anywhere you go. Not only are we in public, we're in the privacy of this Uber driver's vehicle. You are fair game to be recorded. Please never think that people don't have the right to record you. The only exception is in the privacy of your own home, but if they are even out on the concrete sidewalk in public and they point their camera at your window, it might be weird and it might be disrespectful, but it is perfectly legal. Only places are dressing rooms, bathrooms, and anywhere you would expect privacy. Outside of that, the law applies. There is no expectation of privacy in public. If everyone else can see you, if my eyes can see you, I can record you, especially in my own vehicle.
Denver. Oh.
Get out of my car for the 20th time. Please.
The 20th?
Please get out of my car.
You just picked me up less than a...
Get out of my car. They're going to know who I am. I'm your Uber driver. They're going to know exactly who I am.
You took off.
I'm not running from anyone. I didn't kidnap anyone.
The fuck you did my
You wouldn't get out of my car.
You took off.
You refused to get out of my car.
Police officer, please find my location. He keeps taking off. He keeps moving.
I haven't moved. I haven't moved.
Tell him to stop.
Get out of my car.
Oh,
I'm not driving.
You're so perfect.
Thank God for cameras, cell phone cameras, dash cameras. So many people would get in trouble and have issues if there weren't videos of these crazy people acting crazy. Did you see her eyes? The eyes are the story to the soul. It's always the crazy eyes, y'all.
What's the issue? What's going on?
I'm sorry. She's been disrespectful the whole ride, and I've just asked her to get out, and she's refusing to do that.
This is civil.
Can you listen? I understand this is civil.
The
Are
ride.
you gonna take me home?
So.
You're with this man. Excuse me.
I'm not doing
operator,
this.
Are you still on the line? Because you're not speaking now.
You need to hang up. You're with me now.
I'm not with you. I'm on the phone. I'm with this man.
Okay.
She's acting
Who's
dangerous.
She's
yelling.
56 minutes. Are you gonna arrest him for speeding?
Absolutely not.
For what? Because he endangered my life. I can press charges on you right now.
Okay. You need to get out.
I want to press charges. I want to press charges.
You're being.
I'm not.
You have nothing to press charges.
You haven't listened to my situation.
Okay, so step out so I can talk.
I want to press charges.
Step out of the car so I can talk.
Step
Step out of the car so we can talk.
I want to
separate.
press charges.
For what?
For speeding, endangering my life.
No.
He's an Uber driver. I paid him to take me to one destination
That's fine.
to the other.
And he can end the ride, and
that's not what I'm suing him for.
You're not suing anybody.
I'm suing him for endangering my life. Yes, I am. Where's your papers?
What papers?
Your clipboard, so I can press charges.
I can see why. I can see why. I can see why he doesn't want to take you anywhere.
Even the officer understands the situation, and he's been there a whole whopping 50 seconds, 1 minute, and he immediately understands why he wants to end the ride and get her out. And at this point, the officer needs to go, hey, listen, shut up and get out of the car. A lot of these people cause so many problems because they're allowed to just keep going on and talk and rattle and blah, 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 blah. Just bang, yank, done. Question, conversation over. Watch how fast they get quiet. Except they'll probably just start yelling, don't touch me, don't touch me.
You can end the ride. You can end the ride.
I'm sure you do.
He can end the ride.
Sure you do.
It's a civil matter.
Charges, and I can press charges. Is that right?
Press charges for what?
I want you to bring the clipboard to me.
No, that's not how this works.
How does it work, officer?
You step out of the car and you speak with me like a civil person. Yes, you do.
I want to press charges.
For what?
I already told you a million times. Is this recording?
If you don't get out, I'm
Absolutely,
going to have to press charges. This
I'm going to press charges right back on you. Hello.
You have my vehicle. You're being asked to leave the vehicle. I'm going to call Uber support. Your Uber's going to be canceled. You're not going to be able to get to your appointments, all right? You're not going to be able to get to any other appointments, all right? Good luck. You know
what appointment?
Why are we doing this? I don't understand why you're doing
Going
this.
20 miles over the speed limit.
Okay.
Now you're on recording
I've been on
accusing me of
recording.
being
That's
drunk.
what you said,
You're on
right?
recording of
I've been
accusing
on
me of
recording.
being on
That's fine.
drugs.
So you can show
That's
him
fraud.
the recording.
Okay, that's fraud.
I'm not.
What is your name?
Officer Rodriguez.
Can I get your clipboard so I can press charges?
I am not doing any of that. You need to step out of the car, and we are going to have a civilized conversation, because what you're doing right now, it's the most, and it's not going to end well for you.
You don't sound like an officer of any.
Listen to
Who
me.
do you serve?
This is a civil matter.
I'm asking you
we
a
can
question.
we can
The fact that you
escalate
can't
this
answer it means you're
to
in the
something
fucking
else.
wrong.
This lady is being the most.
He hasn't heard me out not 1 second, officer. The only thing he's listening to.
He has a right to end the ride.
He has.
He has no right to take
and
you
I have
anywhere.
the right to press charges.
For what?
Which I've
Explain
been
to me.
saying
I've
I've
asked you to
already
step out of the
told
car.
you, officer.
Let me talk to him.
You haven't let me press charges. What do you mean?
Talk to this officer.
Weirdo, I want to press charges on this man. Yeah, so I want to press charges.
Where's the location? Where's the end?
It's some hotel. I've already canceled the ride, so I don't even have the location anymore. Go ahead and turn it.
That's all he had to say, but I can't.
Yeah,
press
no,
charges.
you know, she had me pick her up from one hotel.
I don't want to get out. I want you to bring
She's having me take her to another hotel.
Okay.
You know, and she's been disrespectful the whole ride. You know, she started yelling at me. Obviously, she's getting upset and screaming. So, you know, it's my right to ask her to get out of the car.
Absolutely.
Okay.
100%.
I have to call my support because this is my boss, and I have to let them know.
100%.
So,
It's so funny. Everyone else can see the problem but her, because she is the problem. How do people end up acting like this? I don't understand.
2.3 miles. I've been disrespectful this whole time. Are y'all hearing what's coming out of his man's mouth? That makes no sense.
Come on.
his name is Rodriguez.
Okay.
My name is Rodriguez. It's not white privilege.
Don't interact with her.
I'm sorry.
You can't even name an example of how it was disrespectful to you. You can't even point it out.
The ride's been ended. She just doesn't want to talk to anybody. She doesn't want to understand.
Where's my refund? That's what I want. You told me on recording.
Yeah, they're being way too patient with this young lady. She's got to get up, get out, and let's go. Why have they allowed her to go on for just a couple of minutes? They should have by now said, hey, sir, go ahead and unlock your doors. Open the door and go, you got about 3 seconds to get out, or we're going to take you out. This is why people like her act how they act, because they are coddled. Not to say the officers are coddling her, but they're being way too patient. You got to take people like this and just yank them up, and end of time.